Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow article submission backlink and the video submission backlink. So if you guys can create your backlink on this site, your backlink should be going to index on Google search box. Okay, so while creating your backlink, you can consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so the website name is blognow.co.in. So this is a website URL and this is a dashboard. So now we can start, and you can see this backlink I created recently only for the I wanted to check how I can create backlink on this site. So you can see I created backlink on this site. So you can see this is fluctuating on the features section. Okay, so now we can start. So before that we can install something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 32, and according to Moj, they don't have enough data they can show you, and as same for the C ranking. So okay, so now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see top of the right corner there is a register button. You can click on this. Sometime this can navigate you on the another website, but you can click 1 to 2 to 3 times, then you are able to found this interface. Okay, so there you can add your username, your email ID, then you can add your password. And again you can submit your password, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the register button. This site can't provide a secure connection. I don't know why. I created backlink on this site, on this email. You can see there I have created profile and I submit article. I thought I created another user account on this site in the same IP address, so that's why these things are happening. So you can follow the same process. For now you can add your username, email ID, then you can add your password, and you can click on the register button. Then after that you are able to access this website dashboard. Okay, so simply you can click on the profile button, and from there you can upload optimize your profile details. So I guess there is no any option to I can make it edit, so I can click on the setting button. So yeah, you can click on the setting button. From there you can upload your profile picture and your username. This is your profile landing page URL, and this is your company description. Once you guys will complete these things, then after that there is a social accounts button. You can click on this. There we can update our social details. So like this is my LinkedIn, and this is my Facebook. Instagram is this, and this is our YouTube. So there you can add your YouTube URL. You can click on the save changes button, and if you're wanting to see your profile backlink, so you can see this is your profile landing page URL, and these are your backlink. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So you can see it's a 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created profile backlink on this site. So now the time is we can create article backlink. So you can simply click on the admin panel button, and you will see this is a dashboard. So simply you can click on this section, add post button. You can see there is a add post button. So you simply can click on this, and I can show you how you guys will create backlink on this site. So I just created backlink for this, how to create social bookmarking sites. So there is an article submission I can going to create for this. So this is my title. So you guys can add your title on this section. and there you can add a short description about your article. So let me copy the meta description, I can paste it over there. Article submission site, so this is my keyword, so there I can add my tag article submission backlinks. And if you're wanting, so you can add direct your website URL, but the thing is we are creating article submission backlinks, so it's, we can insert our website URL with targeted keywords, over targeted keyword. Okay, so let me copy all the things and I can paste it over there. I'm doing these things only for the creating a backlink on this site, only for the video creation purpose. But if you guys are creating backlink on this site, so you can generate a fresh article, then you can publish on this site, because this is a indexable site, so you can use your quality article backlink. Okay, article content. So suppose that this is my targeted keyword, so where I wanting to insert backlink. So simply you can select your keyword and you can click on the three dots button. There is a hyperlink button, you can click on this and you can paste your website URL. So I have added, and if you're wanting to make it bold, so you can select and you can click on the Ctrl+B button. So this backlink is bold, and you can add your feature image. So let me download. So you can upload your feature image. This is taking time, so let me select this one, and from there you can select your category. So my category is SEO, and after that you can click on the add post button. 405 not allowed. I guess I'm creating multiple backlink on this side with the same IP addresses, so that's why these things are happening. But recently I created backlink on this side, so you can see, if I can show you in the post section, so you can see I created a backlink. The date is 16th August. The exact time is missing, but the thing is I created this backlink on 16th July, 16th August. Okay, and also I have created video submission backlink on this site. So you can see this is my video submission backlink, and I can also show you how you guys will create video submission backlink. So simply you can click on the add post button. There is a add video button, you can click on this, and from there you can add your video title. So suppose that if I wanting to create backlink for this video. Hello guys, my name is Pravya. Let me pause, and I can copy the video title, and you can paste it over there, and in the summary section you can add your video description. So suppose that this is my video description, I can paste it over there, and do follow backlink. This is my keyword, and also this is the tag, and there I can add my YouTube video URL, and from there you can add your YouTube video URL there now, and get video. So a video is inserted, and this is a video thumbnail, it's already cached, and you can select your category, and after that you can click on the add video button. So you can see our video is successfully added on this site. I guess on while the creating article submission backlink there are some technical issues, so that's why things are happening, but you can create your article backlink on this site. So this is a process for the backlinking, and you will see this is a video backlink. This is a video backlink I have recently created, and this is an article. So on this site, so this is a process for the backlinking on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me, so you can hit the subscribe. If you wanting to help me something, so you can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so you can follow my social details over the description section. I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you can go to access easily, connect with me easily. And okay, yeah, so bye bye and take care.